politics. For those who were not around, but 1980 was the worst year. For a period lasting a year, from about October 1979 to election night, October 30, 1980, we killed Jamaicans in a political war. We killed nearly 1,000 Jamaicans in what was a war between JLP and PNP. Both parties armed their supporters with guns and other weapons of war. I will never forget it because I lived it. There was a time when I thought whether I would live to see election day. I would have told you this story before. On the night of October 13, 1980, before nomination day, on the 14th of October, I was living at Pembroke Road off Windward Road when we got news that the PNP candidate for East Road St. Andrew, Roy McGann, was shot and killed in Gordon Town. And I think that was a moment where you could feel, you could cut the tension in the country. It's as if we were about to explode. And there were several other incidents